Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kia Tatiana here. If you're new here, click that subscribe button. I do all things natural hair, entrepreneurship, business, lifestyle, vlogging, modeling, you name it, I'm doing it. I also have a boutique launching very soon, next month, July 2020. So click the link in my bio to go subscribe to our mailing list. And I'm so glad that you chose to tune into today's video. In today's video, as you can see by the title, I am going to be doing a flat twist tutorial. I haven't done a flat twist tutorial in a very long time, so yeah, today I'm going to be doing the flat twist tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoy. If you're interested in videos as such, keep on watching. Click the subscribe button, click the like button, and also go to my natural hair tutorial playlist and you can catch up with all my natural hair tutorials. So let's keep on. So today I'm going to be using my Aunt Jackie's flaxseed elongating curling gel. So when I do twist outs, I like to have the hole in my twist. So today I'm going to be using the gel, and it also elongates the curls. Of course, I have my spray bottle. You can never start your natural hair process without a spray bottle. I need a new one because this one is kind of like janky now. I also have my oil to oil my scalp as per usual. And then I also have my edge control, which is like the bomb. If you don't know, now you know because I'm putting you on. I use the Ebin 24-hour edge tamer, and when they say 24 hours, they mean it. Like going to the beach, going to the pool, like your edge is gonna be there. I promise that. So anyways, I'm just gonna jump into it. Yeah, this video is pretty self-explanatory. I just want to show you guys how I do my flat twist tutorial. So keep on watching if you're interested. So once it dries, I'm gonna let it air dry a little bit. I'm just gonna have my bonnet, tuck them all under. It's a little too wet to be in here, but I'll just show you guys. And that's really it. So I'm going to come check in with you guys tomorrow to show you the finishing look, how it looks, and hopefully you can try this and it'll be effective for you. So see y'all tomorrow. All right guys, I'm back. It's the next day and I want to show you guys what my hair is looking like. I just finished working out, so like my edges is like, it looks like it's sleek but it's really sweat. As you can see, it dried very, very nicely. I'm loving it. I really wish that I was going somewhere to show my hair off, but look at this. This is just amazing. So I don't really want to apply oil to take it off. You can do it if you want to apply a styling oil just for shine, but I actually want to limit the oil intake that I apply onto my hair, because my hair is it gets oily really fast, especially now that it's summertime. So I'm just gonna take my time to unravel it. Look at these curls, you guys. Amazing. Look at that. Look at this one, you guys. Look how defined that is. So this is what it's looking like. I want to pick it out to make it a little bit big. I kind of think this looks good. What do y'all think? I think it looks good. Shrinkage is real. I love it though. It was a success, I guess, this hairstyle. Thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up down below. Subscribe to my channel for more hairstyles or tutorials or anything you want to see. Please let me know down below what you like to see. I'm really feeling this. Like, what's that? What's that? Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the like button. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. I can't wait to name my family on YouTube. Please help me to get to 1,000. We're almost there, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Peace.